Bonjour! You are watching French Action and my name is Jenny. Today I would like to share some information on a new project in Canada which will start in 2021. This is the series Why Should I Learn French in 2021? So if you are interested, then hang around. This new project was announced by Nadine Giraud, the Minister of Immigration, Francization and Integration, on the 20th of October 2020. So as you can see, it's fairly recent. And yes, you have guessed, I'm talking about the French province of Canada. So let's find out about this project. It is a 3-year project aimed at French-speaking and non-French-speaking workers, and that would lead to a permanent immigration. So also, if you have a family, they will be able to come with you too. However, they are looking for specific experience. This project is made up of 3 new permanent immigration pilot programs. Program 1 deals with orderlies. So if you have any experience in this area, you could apply for Program 1. For Program 2, it's anybody with experience in IT, artificial intelligence, and visual effects. And for Program 3, if you have any experience in food processing, that's the one you want to apply for. So the French province of Canada, Quebec, can be that opportunity for you. However, remember, French is spoken in Quebec and it's very important, and I'm going to show you why. French is so important in Quebec that KFC is PFK. When I went there several years ago, I was told that to settle in Quebec, companies have to have French names. So even though the program is for new non-speaking workers, you will still need to learn French. This is the information I wanted to share with you. Well, if you want to have more information, please visit the Canadian website, and I have put the link in the description of the video. So you can go to the comment below and see the link, and also you can leave a message or a comment if necessary. I have come to the end of the video. Did you find it useful? If you did, please like it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. You can also learn French with me, and that is French with Jenny at your fingertips on French Action. Au revoir et à bientôt!